Now this problem has multiple steps and a little bit of logic involved. So it is a little bit technical, but we're going to have to try and kind of put pieces together because there's a little bit of an assumption with you thinking about this question and making some assumptions and coming to some logical conclusions. So, a plane flying at an altitude of 1,500 meters starts to climb at an angle of 15 degrees to the horizon, so it's elevation. When the pilot sees a mountain peak 2,120 meters high, 2,400 meters away from him horizontally, will the pilot clear the mountain? Okay, so he is flying and he starts to go up 15 degrees. Will he clear the mountain or will he crash into the mountain? Okay, that's the question. So this is 15 degrees in case you can't see it. So we've got a lot of information here and we've got to make sense of it. Now the first thing I ever taught you at the start of this topic is you're looking for the triangle. Is there a triangle here? Well, yes there is. There's going to be our triangle. Okay, don't worry about all these numbers for now, but you can see a triangle there. And we can start to fill in this information. We know that this side here of our triangle is 2,400 meters long because that's how far it is to the peak of the mountain. Just here is 1,500 meters off the ground, and this mountain is 2,120. Well, this remainder bit will just be 2,120 minus 15,000. So let's figure that out. 2,120 minus 15,000, that's going to be 620 meters. So the real question here is he going to clear 620 meters? Okay, so we need to make a prediction of that. Now, we actually are not going to use this measurement here, not until for our triangle. We need to go, okay, this is his projection. Will this 15 degrees with the 2,400 eclipse or be taller than 620? If not, if it is 620 or below, he will actually crash into the mountain. That's the logic here. Okay, we are not using this. We have to use this as a measurement of will he clear that in this triangle. So what we've got here, our triangle should be this. 15 degrees, because that's the angle of elevation, 2,400 meters, and x. Remember, if x is of 620 and below, he crashes in the mountain. If it's 620 or like above 620, he clears the mountain by that amount. So let's figure that out. Socator, this is going to be opposite, adjacent, so it's going to be 10, 15 degrees, opposite over adjacent, times it by that, equals x. So my x, what does that equal? 2400, 10, 15 degrees. Now, let's see what this equals. Okay, 643.07. Okay. 643.078 dot 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 equals x. So x equals 643.08 meters to 2 dp. So, because this is bigger than 620, he clears the mountain. But we should just technically verify with our marker by how much he clears by. So we'll just for the sake of this, 643.08 minus 620 is going to be 23.08. So our answer, sorry this is a little bit messy, the pilot clears the mountain by 23.08 meters. And that's all there is to it. But the hard part is making sense of this triangle and figuring out a little bit of logic involved. Okay, you can't use the 620 in the triangle because then this will be different. This is just a measurement of how much he needs to clear it by.